Yo, sup, Mitch? Welcome to stream. Welcome. Sup, Bryce? Welcome to stream as well. Alright. Very well, yeah. Hit him where it hurt. See the ops, they lurk. Alright. Alright, hold up. W chat. WS Studio stream. Bro. Alright. Okay. W's. Welcome to stream. Can I host next stream? You do not have a host pass, so no. Alright, chat, you already know, gotta... Can I host first? Yeah, bro, yeah, you got that, bro. Yo, uh, knowledge fashion shows. No. Alright. Here, let me see. Alrighty. Chat, we gotta start with Satera. Bro, if you guys have been in my study streams before, you know I gotta start with Satera. It's been like 2 months since I've last done this, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna start with Asia, cause that was the one I was decent at. Imagine studying, bro. I mean, it's gonna be. I'm gonna just do it until like 2:10, just a little bit. It was a little late because I had to set something up for the stream. Here, let me actually. All right, let's see. Oh man. Okay. I'm surprised if I get these. It's summer, so what, bro? Dude, 11th grade year is next year for me, bro, so I gotta be studying. Alright. Hold up. I gotta change my browser source. Alright. Display to primary. Okay, that's good. I'm in ninth now. Who cares? Ninth? I mean, ninth is fine. You don't really gotta study. Because I'd say most of the classes in ninth grade are pretty easy unless they put you in like a random advanced class. But it's when you get to the higher grades in high school that you're gonna want to at least review a little bit. Indonesia. Oh man, I'm blanking. Wait, Philippines. Is this the Philippines? Indonesia, I think. No, I think this is the Philippines. I think this is Indonesia. I got them mixed up. Bro, it's been a while, bro. Yo, let's see this. Also, here, hold up. Let me just my camera and move over here. All right. But yeah, chat, bro. Satera, bro. Isn't Satera the most fun game, bro? Afghanistan. Oh man, why is that difficult? Pakistan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran. That's the big one. No, that's a big one. Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan. No, Kazakhstan was big. Kyrgyz was small. So this is Russia. Yo, it isn't even lagging that much, bro. Laos, Israel, Armenia. I'm just Bhutan, Armenia, Vietnam, Malaysia. Okay. All right. Philippines, United Arab Emirates. But yeah, chat, make sure to like. If you're just chilling, make sure to like up the stream. I'd appreciate it. Hi, Hills. Yo, what's up, Mario? Also, chat, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I will be streaming some fashion shows later around 6 or 6:30. Kyrgyzstan. Okay. Okay, I don't want to put too much time on this. Tajikistan, that's like here. Here? Here? Oh man. I need to review this. Cater. East Timor, Lebanon, Singapore. It's a dot. Kuwait, South Syria. Okay, Syria. I am tripping. Sri Lanka. Don't worry, chat. By the end of my study, by the end of this week, bro, I'll get all of them right for sure. Myanmar, Saudi, Thailand, China, Bahrain, Jordan, Azerbaijan, North Korea, Iraq, Pakistan, Japan, Maldives, Nepal, Cambodia, Taiwan, Georgia, Turkey. No. 77%, that wasn't bad. You should stream Roblox sometime, maybe. Cap, what you mean cap, bro? That is not cap. I will, bro. You saw last time, bro. In my prime geography, I was getting 100%. Stream COD? COD? I don't know. I gotta see. Let's see. COD. I might download it. Wait. It's free, right? Last time you got 0%? No, I did not. What you talking about, bro? Man said I got 0% last time. That is false information, buddy. Alright. Time to move on to the actual stuff, chat. I'm gonna start with the reading one, bro. Reading. Go to math practice. Let's do reading. Oh, bro. I don't want to read all this. Buddy, I am taller than you? Bro, I'm 6'7", bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I'm literally going to the NBA. Alright, let's see. Okay, for these questions, you'll consider how the passage might be revised to improve the expression of ideas or to correct the errors in the sentence. Some questions will direct you to an underlying portion of the passage. Others will ask you to think about. Many questions include no change. Okay, this is like the no change thing on the test, bro. This is one of the... Bro, skull emoji, clown. Bro, why are you doing the clown emoji, bro? Okay, this is the one that's kind of confusing, chat. Here, let me actually move. Yeah, I guess actually it's probably better if I just put it up here. Because you're a clown? Oh my god, bro. I ain't no clown, buddy. I am literally him. Whatever that means. What does it mean? If you're him, what does that even mean in context, bro? Okay, anyways. So, question 1 of 1. Should the translation of a poem from one language to another be evaluated primarily on its adherence to the original text? While some consider such adherence to be the gold standard, this approach will overlook the fact... Okay, so it's talking about, should the translation of a poem from one language to another be evaluated probably adherence? So I assume this is saying, when a poem is translated through languages... Should the focus be on adhering to its original points and main points and things like the main points in the original translated or non-translated text? So while some consider such adherence to be gold standard, this approach will overlook the fact. So, bro, chat, what do you guys think, bro? I'm gonna play Fortnite so I can do the Summer Cat quest so I can get the skin. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's pretty good challenges. You're not him? Oh my god. Bro. Does this seem... While some consider such adherence to be the gold standard, this approach... Okay, this needs to be changed. Because people already considered it. So, it wouldn't necessarily... While some consider such adherence to be the gold standard, this approach had overlooked the fact. Would have overlooked. It's not would have. People already consider it, so this is no. Had overlooked. Okay, overlooks. This approach overlooks the fact. Overlooks, I think. It's C? No, it's not C. What? Because would have overlooked is in the future. People, in the text, it says, while some consider the adherence, some people already consider it. So why would it say something in the future if they already consider it? Like, while some consider such adherence to be the gold standard, this approach... Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm only in 7th grade. Oh, I mean, while some consider such adherence to be the gold standard, this approach would have overlooked. Okay, I'm gonna say overlooks. I think had overlooked. While some consider such adherence to be the golden standard, this approach had overlooked the fact that the very active translation is centered. It might be B or D, bro. It's E. There is no E. What? Bro, it's either B or D. I don't think it's will overlooked. That doesn't sound. Will and would have are similar, so take that out. It's either B or D, bro. Sup, Helios? Yo, sup, Logan Plays? Welcome to stream, bro. Okay, I'm gonna say D. Okay. Okay. Although something is inevitably lost in any translation, an evaluation of a translation should take into account not only literal adherence to the original poem, but also the creative act that each new work constitutes in their own right. Constitutes in... Oh, okay. Okay. Here's where I'm going to have to take a note. So, there. So, there... is physically like, look over there. Like, when you're pointing, you would spell it T-H-E-R-E. But there is possessive. Wait. Yo. Chat. The final answer is R, bro. Hold up. Chat. Bro, don't call me dumb for this, bro, but I'm not going to cap. I'm going to have to look up the difference between there or there. Because I'm sure T-H-E-R-E means, like, in that location, but T-H-E-I-R is, like, possessive. Like, it's their money. Like, it's their money. But if you're saying, like, there it is, then it would be T-H-E-R-E. So let's see. That's what I think. There and there. They it literally uses a third one. They what? What this man spelled, what is this guy's grammar? Pronounced similarly but don't have the same meaning. You can recognize which one is correct from the context. There is most commonly used to point. See? In that place. There is a possessive. See? I was right. Yeah. There is a possessive form of the third person plural they. It means belonging to them. Ooh. So I was right. Okay. Okay, yeah, I was right. Okay, so there. So it's not, I think no change. It says, although something is inevitably lost in any translation, an evaluation of translation should take into account not only literal adherence to the original poem, but also the creative act that each new work constitutes in its own right, in their own right. It's not there or there because it's not a person. So it's in its own right. It's with a comma and it's just by itself. What? It's with a comma is it is. In it is own right. In its own right. What? I'm gonna have to search that up though. Actually, you know what? Here, I'm gonna just do this on my own first time around, and then I'll go back and you know, like, see the explanations just for the first time. Question 3. Certainly, there are aspects of poetic composition that can rarely be translated with their original rhetorical Force, verbal puns, cultural idioms, and rhyme schemes. No, it should be good. Certainly, there are aspects of poetic composition that can rarely be translated with their original rhetorical force, verbal puns, cultural idioms. No, yeah, it's no change. Which choice which choice best maintains the sentence pattern established in the first part of the sentence for number 4? In the Okay, so when these details are considered in the context of an entire poem, a faithful translation seems even more impossible. However, from Catullus' Sapphic meter to Bryan's Heroic couplets, what the heck? No method has even come close to capturing every aspect of the original Greek poem. Some translators emphasize the sound of the original text, while others emphasize structure, focusing on Focusing on the literal meaning of the word is important to some translators, but to others, it's more important to read between the lines. Huh. The literal meaning of the word. So, sentence pattern established in the beginning. So, there's a full sentence, comma, full sentence, semicolon. I don't think I don't think it's this. The literal meaning is important. Whereas I don't think it's that. These two were. I don't know. I actually don't know this, chat. Like I mean, the obvious choice would be D. I mean, I'd say because the sentence starts with some, so something similar. This starts with some as well, but I feel like that's what a dumb person would answer. Some focus on the literal meaning of each word while others read between the lines. Yeah, it makes no sense. Why? That makes some. Oh, no change? I'm gonna just say no change. I don't think there's a change. The writer wants to add the following sentence to the second paragraph. So that's here. For example, to the second paragraph. For example, Cephos. So the second paragraph before sentence 1. Second paragraph. This is first paragraph, and this is second. So Sappho's famous. So where is Sappho's? Okay, certainly there is. Okay, that's a topic. When these details are considered in the context of an entire. Hmm. Yeah. I don't know. Certainly, there are aspects of poetic composition that can rarely be translated with their original rhetorical force. Verbal puns, cultural idioms, and rhyme schemes are just a few examples. For example, Sappho's famous lyrical has been. So it says before sentence 1. No, that makes no sense. After sentence 1. May not really. After sentence 2. Maybe. After sentence 3. I think it's sentence two. Because, yeah, I think sentence two. All right. 6 out of 11. Okay. Which choice? Which choice most effectively? Which choice most effectively introduces the topic of the paragraph? Although we most often. What paragraph? Oh, 6. Although we often comment on what is lost in the process of translation, we rarely consider what is gained. Yeah, I think that's good. This says sometimes no. Even though the most gifted cannot no. Well, poetry is a particularly difficult class to translate. No, it's B. Question 7. Okay. So, okay. Translators are not invisible and passive mediums through which poems pass during their transformations languages, into other languages. However, each translator rather I don't know languages yet. No, if it was yet, it would most likely have a comma. So it's not this. Languages, and nonetheless, each translator is an active agent. Nope. No, I don't think it'd be this one. Languages. However, languages rather. I think no change. Yeah, I think there's no change. I'm back. Yo, welcome back, Bryce, too, bro. Welcome back. Appreciate you for being back, bro. Question 8 of 11. Got a couple more left. 3 more. Okay. While the literal meaning is important, the work of translators is chronically creative. Is chronically creative. What? It's not genetically. That makes no sense. Congenitally? I don't know what that means. Chronically creative. I don't think chronically could either mean like I know chronic back pain, which is means bad, but chronic means constant, which is constant back pain, chronic back pain. So chronic means constant. So I don't think that would really be used. While the literal meaning is important, the work of translators is constantly creative. Uh, is inherently. I think inherently would make more sense. Which choice most effectively states the central claim supported by the passage? And this is for 9. In short, the best translation of a poem is not necessarily the one that adheres most closely to original version. This is excellent news for avid readers. For the majority, in short, it is impossible to create a completely faithful literal translation. This is excellent news for avid readers. For it would be. It is, in short, it is more important to preserve the literal meaning of a poem than its structure. Every translator should take a holistic. No, I don't think this is it. I okay. That is a good. That's kind of good, but I don't think it's focusing. I'm looking at this. Should so the point of this is to say it is impossible to translate a piece of text from one language to the other without the translator adding their own aspect to it, which makes more sense. And but this is opinionated, so it's not no change. It's one of these. It is most impossible to create a completely faithful. The central claim. Yes, that is a claim. It is impossible to create a completely faithful literal translation. Yeah, I think that's the best. All right. At this point, the writer is considering adding the following sentence to. So at 10, poetic literature. To truly appreciate a okay. This is excellent news for avid readers. For the majority, it would be impossible to learn all the original languages of great poetic literature, but this apparent gap in knowledge leaves for great poetic literature. To truly appreciate a poem, one must become fluent in the language in which the poem was originally written. No, they should not. That's not the point. No, because a new argument about learning languages should not be developed. Yeah. No, because the concept of poetry, translation, and language study do not relate to each other at all and should not be discussed. No, they do. But this, because a new argument, it's like, yeah, you got to learn the language to actually understand the story. That's not what the author is trying to argue. Plus, if he was, he's just starting a new argument in the conclusion, which is dumb. Okay, 11. But this apparent gap in knowledge leaves space for a new phenomenon and a new creative entity, the translator. In knowledge. But this apparent gap in knowledge leaves space for a new phenomenon. I think this. Yeah. Welcome back, Clippers. I think it's this. You're dumb, Hillis? Bro, how am I dumb, bro? What? Okay. I think. Alright, I'm gonna submit my answers, chat. I'm not gonna cap, bro. This is practice, so I think out of 11 questions, I think I'll probably get a 6 out of 11, maybe. Cause I'm not too sure on these answers. Obviously, this is my first time studying for it, but I have done similar tests like this with the PSAT, so yeah, still. Well, time to see. I think 6 out of 11. Something good, I think, would be a 9 or 10 out of 11, obviously. Anything above a 9 or a 9. But anything below a 6, I would say it's bad. But let's see. Okay, we got 3 wrong, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 11. Okay, that's not terrible. 8 out of 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 wrong? Which 3 did I get wrong? Okay, so I did increase my skill level. Grammar items in a... So let's see what we got wrong, chat. Obviously. Yeah, 9. Here. All right, let's see what we got wrong. Review your answers. So, first one we got right, chat. Second one we got right. Third one we got wrong. There was a change. So that's basic grammar. Okay. This choice doesn't effectively punctuate the break between the independent clause and grammar, yeah. Punctuate the break. This choice is best because it correctly uses a colon. Punctuate, yo. Okay. So, and we got the second or the fourth. I told you to pick B. You did not say to pick B. Stop capping, Clippers. Man said, no, you did not, bruh. All right, let's see. Which choice best maintains the sentence pattern established in the first part of the passage? Dude, every time... Don't tell me. Oh, I was about to say, okay. So for the first 2, I said no change. That was wrong. Yes, I did. My God. Dang, if you did, then I didn't see that. Which choice best maintains The sentence. Oh, this one. This was a difficult one. Which one maintains the sentence pattern? I just thought there was no change. This was the one I was confused. That's why you're dumb. Oh my god, bro. Now I'll do better next time. I'll do better next time. Some focus on the literal meaning of each word while others read between the lines. What? I did not. What? This is for what? 4? Focusing on the literal meaning of the word is important for some measures, but others. Dude, that was the one I was saying. No, bruh. That was the one I was gonna say that I would. Chat. That was literally the one I was like, oh, this is probably the dumb answer, like the dumb people chose. That's what I was gonna click, bro. But I thought it was obvious. It was saying make something similar. I didn't think it was similar though. Oh man. Cause look, chat. So right here, so it's like, wait, where is it? Okay. So it's like do something similar to like the beginning. So the beginning right here, it says some translators emphasize, right? And they're saying, okay, convert this sentence into something similar. I was like, okay. So I was looking and I was confused. This literally says some focus. It says the word some in the beginning. I didn't think it was that easy. I did not think it was. Oh my lord, that's such a troll. I did not think. Okay. Anyway, let's see this one. Okay, so that one, okay. And this one is grammar. So let me write it down. That's crazy. I told you, you did not. Okay, stop capping, bro. That's cap. That's cap, Clippers. Stream at 5. I'm streaming around 6 or 6:30 because I usually eat dinner pretty early at around 5. So, although I don't know if that's early, but yo, that's crazy, bro. We should switch about. Oh my god, bro. Grammar. Bro, I thought I spelled grammar for a second. That would have spelled grammar wrong for a second. You're a 7th grade, I'm 11th. Oh my god, bro. What is he talking about, bro? You did not say that. You did not say that, bro. Nah, I do not remember you saying the sum one. Maybe the one where you said B, but I do not remember you saying anything about this question, bro. Grammar, dang, standard English conventions. SAT score. Evidence-based reading, writing language. Math. Okay. How to use grammar. How to use colon between independent clause. I'm writing down something. Independent clause. And list of examples. Okay. Yeah, I reviewed this in my English class, but I just forgot. Your grandma memory? What? You need intensive reading? Bro, I need a, what's it called? I'm good with the reading, but I just need to remember my grammar. Because the problem is, chat, when you're, like, writing something, bro, Grammarly just be looking so good, bro. Like Grammarly is like, there's, like, some form of a spell checker and stuff on Word that it's just, I don't really need to practice remembering these stuff. But anyways. Okay, that's fine. And then 3. So, okay. Which choice most of the central claim? Okay, this is a surprising one I got wrong. So it was no change. This was for 9. The best, it is impossible to create a completely faithful literal translation. Yeah, I should have, okay. Honestly, oh wait. What? The original was right. This choice is the best answer because it clearly states the main topic of the passage, that creative translations can be more effective and compelling than direct word. Oh. I didn't really I would have reread the passage, but I didn't want to spend too much time. And it says Mavo. I mean, yeah, I need to practice both. I'm gonna go at math. Yo, let me try some math, bro. Okay, well, all of it else is right. So, yeah, see, okay, so the choice focused. So the wrong answer I chose would have been a good topic sentence for the second paragraph. Coincidentally, that's the paragraph I looked at when trying to find the main idea of the passage. So, anyways, all right, that's not bad. Okay. All right. All right. We'll do this tomorrow. I'm gonna move on to math. I haven't done any of the math ones yet. Cause math, I don't know about math. All right. Let's see, chat. Let's see if I can solve this. It shouldn't be anything difficult. So, all right. Okay, so here, let me actually do this if you guys want to see it. So, Hiroto spends $68 on ebooks. And paperback books combined, okay? So it's going to equal $68. We know that for sure. Each ebook he buys costs $5, 5x. I'm doing this without looking at the actual equations, chat. And each paper book he buys costs 12. 12y. If Hiroto buys X ebooks and Y paperback books, what's the following? 5x plus 12y equals 68. Yeah. All right, that's easy. That's easy. Just the first one. Okay. It's going to get more difficult, though. A utility service company has a fleet of cars and trucks. The gas tank of each car has a volume of 16 gallons. 16. And the gas tank of each truck has a volume of 30. Okay. If it takes 2,000 gallons of gas to fill the empty gas tanks of the entire fleet, which equation shows the possible number of cars, C, and the number of trucks, T, in the fleet? Again, similar thing to that. 16T plus 30C. What? This equation, 16T? Oh, I mixed up the T and C. So it says, C, cars. Car, 16C. Oh. I wrote it down 16 and 30C. Okay. Yeah, so the only thing, I just mixed up the variables. Okay. Shouldn't they just, okay. When Lucia plays golf at the Rolling Hills golf course, she loses. Okay, I'm actually start by reading the end to the top. So, Meadow M, R and M. So, Rolling Hills is R and Meadow is M. So, she loses about 12 bro, pause. She loses about 12 on average in Rolling Hills, so 12R. And she plays golf at Meandering Meadows and loses about 8. So that's M. And approximately 100. So 12R plus 8M equals 100. Yeah. Yeah, it's still Okay, so yeah, R, yeah, 12R is enrolling, so it's 12R and 8M no matter what. So these can be taken away. This can be taken away. Subtraction, I don't think it would be subtraction. I mean, loses usually means subtraction, but if you forget about loses, it doesn't matter if she lose a gain, whatever. So she loses 12 on average when she plays golf at the Metering Meadows. She loses if she lost approximately 100 balls after. I think it's this. Yeah. I'm overthinking it, Chad. This is like probably middle school stuff. Or this is middle school stuff. All right. A farmer earns on average 5,000 per acre of raspberries grown and 11,000 per acre of strawberries grown. Which of the following equations shows the relationship between the number of acres and the number of strawberries that the farmer can harvest? So it's equal 50. Again, it's just addition. So 5,000 R, 11,000 S, 50,000. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is easy. Equals 40. It's not these. Shirts and pants. Shirt in 4 hours. So 4S. Pair of pants in 6 hours. Dude, that's gonna get so many people. The problem is if you mix up the variables, it's over. It's wrong. Even if it's obviously like, oh, you accidentally messed it up. That's the only thing. I know. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. I was expecting it to be a little more difficult. All right, Chad, this is probably going to be the last one for today. Okay. So, this looks a little more difficult. A college... Hold up. Anyways. A college bookstore makes an order to replenish its stock of 3 different types of paper, okay? College rule line paper, legal rule line paper, and graph paper. In addition, the paper is purchased bound as either spiral notebooks or paper pads. The table below shows the store's order. Bookstore order of different types of paper. Spiral paper pads. So 175, okay. If a graph paper item from that order is selected at random, what is the percent probability? Okay, here we go. We're getting into a little more probability. We get into the little more difficult stuff, chat. If a paper... If a paper item from the order is selected at random, what is the percent probability that the item is bound as a paper pad? Okay. So they're all graph paper, but it's selected. Okay. I'm gonna try something. Let me get something real quick. Let's see, chat. Plus 125. No, hold up. Nope, that makes no sense. Shoot. Is bound as a paper pad. Dang, I don't know. I actually don't know. I might have to use a video. Okay, let me use a video because I actually don't know.
Angel's Ice Cream Shop sells ice cream by the scoop and by the pint. The table above shows the purchases made by his customers last weekend.
think I know how to do it. 325, the total. 175 plus 60 plus. Stream at 5. I am streaming at 6 or 6:30. I did say that in my Discord server because I gotta eat dinner at 5, bruh. Alright, let's see. 175, 60, 75. So that's 310. Okay, if you were trying to find the percent between, between two people, if you're trying to find the probability that, say you roll a two-sided dice, there is a 50-50 chance, right? You get that by taking the amount of people and dividing 100 by 2. That's the percent of that. So if you were to get, so Spiral Notebook. Yeah, no, I'm gonna need the video. I thought I knew it without it, but I don't think. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's see.
Weekend.
I think it's harder example. No, I think it's basic example.
Weekend. Of the customers who bought scoops, what fraction also bought pints? So pause this video and see if you can figure this out on your own. All right, now let's look at this. So of the customers who bought scoops, so I can view that as the denominator of a fraction. So customers buying scoops, they're saying what fraction pints? So we're looking at the customers that bought the scoops. So bought scoops is right over here.
Is it that easy though? All right, let's see. Paper pad. $1.04. Okay, let's see, chat. I think it's this. 62.5. Okay. How did they get that? We are looking for the probability that an item of graph paper will be bound as a paper pad. Written as a ratio, this probability will be amount of graph paper that is also a paper pad divided by total, the total amount of graph paper. Using the information provided in the table, we find 125 of graph paper are bound as paper pads. Wait, what? Graph legal rule. Wait. Huh? Back, yo, welcome back, Clippers. If a graph paper item from the order is selected at random, what is the percent probability that the item is bound as a paper pad? Okay. So it's talking about, okay, so I got tricked. They're not talking about legal rule or college rule. So that's just used to trick you. So ignore that. And I'm looking at graph paper now. So you add them up and divide it by 125, I guess. Yeah. Okay. I told you it was 62. Bro, what? Bro, you just said you were back, bro. What is he talking about, bro? Okay, I think I get it. So, if a coin produced by Denver Mint in 2010 is selected at random, so 2010, dude, all this other stuff is just meant to trick you. Okay, 2010, what is the probability that the coin is a dime? So you add all of them up. So that's 2047 plus 230 plus 562 plus 173, and take that and divide it by the amount of dimes. Or no, you do the opposite and you take the amount of dimes, 562, divided by the answer. I don't think that's right. It says it says 18%. I don't think so. Oh, 0.87. I don't think so. Let's see. Okay, it was. Cat, bro. It literally says in chat. It says bag. Anyways. Alright, let's see. Okay. Now I'm starting to get it. So, if you're trying to find the average between a couple of quantities of things, you add them all. You add everything up that you have to find, like, the percentage by. So, if you, like, between different amounts of people, right? So you gotta add them all up and divide it by the number of things you want to find the probability of. Okay. Can you play after this? Yes, I will be streaming fashion shows at 6, but not right after this, cause I gotta clean my room, and I gotta do something else as well. Here, okay. So, based on the information as a percentage, approximately what is the relative frequency of plastics recycled in New Mexico in all 3 states combined? Okay, this is a little more difficult. So, it says based on the information in the table at left as a percentage, approximately what is the relative frequency, the average of plastics recycled in New Mexico? So first off, we got to add everything in New Mexico. So plastics. Actually, wait. We don't. No, we don't. We got to add 18. Again, it almost tricked me, chat. That's crazy. So 18 plus 3 plus 12. And then you take that and divide it by the plastics in New Mexico. Or no, you do the opposite. I forgot. You do 3 divided by the total. 0.09, which is also just 9%. There we go. All right, so to find average, add all the specific quantities and divide by amount you have. All right. So, gluten-free breads at different grocery stores. Not gluten, gluten-free. So it's asking, what is the relative frequency of gluten-free bread sold at store A compared to the other stores combined? So 4 plus 2, 6. 2 divided by 6. As a decimal, that'd be like 3? No. It would be like... It'd be like 33. 33 point something. I think. Yeah, 33 point something. Okay, let's see. So... Yeah, 33. Let's go. So it's 0.33. I think they'll accept that. What? 0.16 is what? How? Oh, I only did it for store A. Oh. It's asking for store A and B. Okay. Fortnite stream, not right now, but I will be streaming at 6 or 6:30. I also put it in the announcements tab of the channel, or the community tab of the channel. But it will be at like around 6 or 6:30. White-eyed fruit flies and okay. Okay, I think this one, 62 plus 21, 83. And then white-eyed, you do 62 divided by the answer, which is 0.74, so 75. All right. Skill level 3. So I didn't really change the skill level, but yeah. That's okay. So just gotta be careful. It's easy, but it's kind of tricky. All right, chat. I think that's gonna be good for now. Almost been an hour, so that's a W. So tomorrow, Khan Academy is crazy. You don't have a Khan Academy account, bro. Man's is. If anybody doesn't have a Khan Academy account, if you care about your grades, I guarantee you will have one by the time you are in high school. I'd assume. Okay. Freckle? What's freckle? What's here? I should put here. Let me put it here. Freckle. What the heck? I've never heard of freckle. Class code? It's a class thing? Alright. Well, I think that's about it for what I'm gonna do today. Essay? Are there essays on the essay? Oh, man. Wait, was there an essay on the SAT? Or the PSAT? I can't remember. I don't think there was. I'm trying to remember, chat. I don't remember writing a paragraph. Actually, no. I think there might be. Yeah, I was about to say. No. No, I don't want to do that. What if it's not on the PSAT, then why would it be on the SAT? That's so dumb, bro. For math, I had 100K points in it? Dang, bro. Then you must be really good at math. Alrighty, chat. I think that's where I'm gonna end it, bro. I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Alright, anyways. Yeah, chat, I think I'm gonna end stream. But I will be streaming 6 or 6:30. If you want to join the Discord, put exclamation mark Discord and join, because that is where I put the info for when I'll stream. I hope to do more study streams. Tomorrow, hopefully I'll be able to do another study stream. Helios, you got no biceps? Biceps? Is this like this one? I have some biceps, bro. But yeah. That's about it. Hopefully you guys also studied as well. If you're in high school, I recommend studying a little bit over the summer. But if you're good at remembering, then I guess you don't have to. But that's about it, and see you.